In this video, we'll be showing you how to use the high-speed mode in the Sentry VMS Web Client using Internet Explorer. There are two modes you can use specifically for Internet Explorer. One is low speed, the other one is high-speed mode. The high-speed mode uses an ActiveX control to produce a higher bitrate stream from the cameras, giving you a better image. It also supports higher frame rates and a few other things in order to make the image more reliable and more clear. In order to engage that mode, the default is low, as you can see in the upper right corner here. We need to log on as an administrator, change one of the settings in the browser, download the ActiveX control, and once you do that, you're able to flip back and forth between high and low speed simply by clicking the button here in the upper right corner. So let's do that. I'll sign out. I'm going to log in as an administrator. I'm going to click on Configure. And the first option here is the one we're interested in. Set to high speed by default. Internet Explorer only, software installation required. Now the reason for that is that all other browsers do not support ActiveX controls. Only Internet Explorer will do that. And it does require you to download an ActiveX control and have it installed in the browser itself. So we'll check that box. Click Save. All right, now the first thing you're going to see is this message. A browser plugin is required to view high-speed video. Would you like to install the plugin? We click OK, and we get this box telling us this is what we're about to do. It'll give us high-speed streaming video. It'll support a variety of codecs. It has lower bandwidth overall when using high-speed mode, and it uses DirectX hardware rendering, which means you'll get a better, clearer image. So we'll click Install Now. And we'll click Install down at the bottom. And one more time for install. And our video plugin was installed correctly. So we click OK, and we'll go back to the main page. All right, and now we're in high speed mode. Now just notice the way the layout of the images are for our 9 cameras that you see on the screen. I'm going to flip now back to low speed. As you can see, the images are a little smaller. Not as clear. They're still good, but not as clear. And we're taking up a little bit more bandwidth than we would if we were in high-speed mode, which is what you're seeing right now. So why would you use one over the other? If you have enough bandwidth on your network and using high-speed mode doesn't tax it beyond its capabilities, this is a great way to be able to see very clear video, both live and in playback. The other thing that it gives you is the ability to see larger images of each of those cameras. As you can see, the 3x3 grid that we're looking at is bigger in high-speed mode than it is in low-speed mode because of the amount of bandwidth required and the resolution of each of the camera streams. When you may not wish to use this is if you're in a limited bandwidth situation or you have cameras that do not support this function. There are cameras that will not support this type of high-speed function. So in that case, you'll need to be in the low setting in order to get the streams coming from that camera. And that's the high-speed option in the Sentry VMS Web Client through Internet Explorer. You can find more information and find more about us at our company website, which is ipvideocorp.com. Thanks for watching.